Hey guys, so I'm checking out this disco party light that I received for event purposes. I think that it's really nice because it has different modes that it can work on, and you can install it on different places. Indoors, outdoors, you can install it up on a wall, the ceiling, however you want it. You get a remote control so you can use the disco ball and the batteries. Okay, we got all the cables that you're gonna need, and you can install it in hardware. As I've said, you can install it up on a wall, in the ceiling, however you want. Okay, got more of the attachments that we're going to use. Then we have in here proper main unit. As you can see, we can turn it off and on this slider, and we have in here the USB Type-C charging port where we're going to connect. Okay, and well, let me assemble it with the usual manual that comes with so I can test it out. Come on. You can bring the party anywhere with this disco ball party light that it's a lighting experience that is designed to turn any kind of space into your own mini festival. You can enjoy stunning white lights, vibrant RGB and YGB, sunset colors, glowing UV backlight, and the disco ball design, all in just one compact lamp. You can switch instantly with just a single button with the remote control and set the perfect vibe from chill evenings to high energy tense nights. And as this lamp is quite lightweight, it's really easy to set up. You just use the adjustable bracket to place it up on the floor, the wall, if you want it on your desk, even in a ceiling. The installation takes mere seconds, and it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. And you can use the USB-C cable to power it anywhere. In case that you haven't a outlet near, you can use your laptop, your power bank, or any kind of USB outlet. And it's quite versatile, as you can use it on many different situations, like for chilling out, for birthdays, weddings, even holiday gatherings if you want. The disco ball can transform any kind of occasion into something extraordinary. It can give instant atmosphere in just one click. And as you can see, it has many different modes that I think that it's really nice. It has really nice adjustments that you can do, making it a really nice option to just use it like a regular lamp. If you just want some nice decorations for your party, your whatever you need, I think that it's a really nice option. And overall, I think that it's great and will really recommend it. See you guys!